name is Mango Goodness Mba, and today I'm going to talk about diabetes, prevention of diabetes in particular. I am from the Department of Public Health in the University of Idaho. Currently, I am a first year student and I hope to achieve more during my years of study or my research on the prevention of diabetes. Diabetes mellitus has been raging our community here in Mafuluku for long now. Diabetes is a metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar. Sugar moves from the blood by the hormone insulin into our cells to be stored and used for energy. But with diabetes, that's when somebody has diabetes, the body the body is either the body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it does make. More than 60 adults, men and women, live with this disease here in our community. Okay, just last week I visited a family on Adekule Street, and in that family, the father is already in the full stage of diabetes. He has a type 2 diabetes, while the mother has type 1 diabetes. Now, the children already are at risk of contracting this disease because their lifestyle as a family is not just good. By lifestyle, I meant what they eat daily as a family, what they do as a family, because usually I had to question some of them, and I found out that they don't even work out. They just stay indoors from home to school, work, and then come back. So that's a very dangerous, lifestyle. And the food they eat, was is not just something. The diet is not well planned. So and diabetes is just looming in that family. Already the parents are down with type 1 and type 2. That just that way. Diabetes is a serious case of a disease and should not be joked with. Now there are ways of preventing this disease, and I'm just going to give you 5 of them. Number one, cut sugar and refined carbs from your diet. Number two, work out regularly. Number three, drink water as a primary beverage. Number four, lose weight if overweight or obese. And number five, quit smoking. So if you can follow these 5 rules, you're as good as the next healthy person. It's very important for us to always have, be healthy and always look healthy too. Whenever we have our insulin works fine, and we're just in the middle, not too much, not too low, not too high, not too low. So that's it. I hope you got one or two things from what we have discussed today, and I hope to see you next time. I want to thank you for listening and being there. Thank you, and God bless.